We are the James Valley Composite Squadron, NCR ND-031 from Jamestown, North Dakota. Our experiment was testing to see if altitude affected seed germination and growth. We accomplished this by sending a mix of broccoli, cabbage, kale, and kohlrabi seeds to the edge of Earth's atmosphere. We hypothesized that germination in the atmosphere would affect the plant's abilities to photosynthesize.
Our squadron visited a local retail establishment to purchase supplies for our experiment. While there, we bought the seeds, soil, and the pots needed to grow our seeds once they returned from the high-altitude balloon launch. Following this, we partitioned out equal amounts of seeds into the control and flight tubes, placing them into plastic bags and paper towels to ensure that they would be secure while in flight at the edge of the atmosphere.
After receiving our seeds, we divided them evenly among 12 pots, 6 pots containing seeds from the control sample, and 6 pots containing seeds from the flight sample. Each cadet took home 2 to 4 pots each, documenting and observing the growth of their respective plants over the course of 1 week. The data we collected seemed to indicate that all of our flight samples sprouted significantly faster than the control samples. By the third day of our 1-week timeline, cadets observed that the flight sample had sprouted to a significant level, while the control sample had sprouted minimally or not at all.
One of our cadets designed a seedling data chart to more easily and accurately document and record the results from this experiment. With this, we monitored and recorded the levels of sunlight, water, sprouts, and other factors in order to effectively measure our results.
The results of this experiment proved to be partially successful. Although the seeds did not react in the way that we expected them to, the results that we received helped us understand the effects of our atmosphere on plant life and may prove to be valuable in future scientific research.
If we received the prize money, the funds would go towards furthering our cadets' emergency services training, and a squadron funded a trip to the National Air Force Museum in Dayton, Ohio.
Throughout this experiment, we learned various things about the science behind germination and the altitude's influence on it. In addition to this, we practiced essential skills such as time management, setting goals, communication, and working as a team. This experiment was a great opportunity for all of the cadets involved to learn more about the scientific method and the condition of high-altitude experimentation. Our thanks go out to all of the cadets, senior members, and civilians who facilitated this challenge and gave us the opportunity to participate. We hope you enjoyed following along with us through this experiment.
Every cadet involved contributed to the challenge by writing the script, researching the experiment, creating a hypothesis, and observing plant growth by taking seeds home. The creation of our experiment would not have been possible without the cadets working as a team and setting aside extra time to complete the challenge.